Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. That candle here, what it did, it break that level, but now it's showing a big rejection here in that level of 24k. So as I told you, you need to wait in the daily candle to finish, and it need to finish breaking that level here. When it's going to break it, my friend, it's going to go upward than that. Remember that, but till now there is nothing confirmed yet, my friend. Also, we're still inside the triangle, my friend. That one here, it's break it, but now it's showing a big rejection as I told you. Hello and welcome, my friend. We came back in another video. So if you are interested to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. By the way, also we put in every day 1 or 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin or the crypto world. So if you are interested, you can join us. And if you're watching us from the video down, you're going to find a red button. Click at it. It's going to become gray like that. Subscribe it. And next to it, you find that bell. You came to it and you turn it to all like that. And you're going to be notified every time when also you're putting a new video. So go ahead and do it. You've done it. And please smash that like button to help us to put more content like this, my friend. So without further ado, let's go into start our lesson of today, my friend. Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. Again, we came back to you, my friend, today. And today there is something new as you see it here. That candle, it's breaking for us the level of 24, but it's showing here a big rejection. To be zoomed for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see it, my friend, that candle here, what it did, it break that level, but now it's showing a big rejection here in that level of 24k. So as I told you, you need to wait in the daily candle to finish, and it need to finish breaking that level here. When it's going to break it, my friend, it's going to go upward than that. Remember that, but till now there is nothing confirmed yet, my friend. Also, we're still inside the triangle, my friend. That one here, it's break it, but now it's showing a big rejection as I told you. But when it's going to break it, you calculate it from here to here, and we calculated before, and we said it is going to be here at that yellow zone. That yellow zone, we said it is going to be 29k691. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. By the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to our channel and support us just by liking the video if it's possible, my friend. Or if you can, that extra, write for us a comment. And when you subscribe, turn the bell notification to all to receive all our latest updates, my friend. So let's continue our analysis, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's see our indicators, what they say, for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, my friend, as you see it here, he tried to break that level here. And if that candle close like that, I tell it to you before, it's going to go upward, my friend. Till here, till the oversold area. But till now, there is nothing confirmed yet. Till now, we still the daily candle to finish. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's wait and see what's going to happen, my friend. As you see it, my friend, here. That one, if that candle close how it is, it's still for 8 hours now. So let's wait and see what's going to happen. And that one, that indicator of us, that one, as you see it, also we are here in the orange, my friend. So it's still for its space to go up until it's going to touch here. So if it's reaching there, I think it's going to reach 30k or 29k. So very nice profit we make from that move. As me personally, enter from 17k. Until now, I'm still holding. And by the way, something very, very, very important, my friend. A lot of scammer people, they came down and they writing comment for you, they send you to Telegram or something. Majority of those people, I don't got any relation to them, and majority of them, they just want to scam you. Don't go to Telegram or contact no one. Don't go to Telegram or contact no one. If you want my social media, you enter inside the channel. In the top, you're going to find all my social media. There is my Twitter, my YouTube, my Facebook, everything is there. If you want to contact me personally, you go there and you contact me. All those people, they are scammers, my friend. Remember that one. All those people down, they are scammers. I talk to YouTube about to stop those comments, but they said they couldn't do nothing about it. So I'll leave them. So be aware of those things, my friend. Everything is too clear. So let's go into 4 hours, see what is it there, my friend. Here we are, my friend, in the 4 hours. And in the 4 hours, as you see, our channel, the one here, we've been following for some time. It's being broken, my friend. It's being broken and it show going up. But till now, that level here, as I tell it to you, it's still holding, my friend. That level here of 24K, that one, it's still holding. As you see, it came to that candle here. That one didn't show a big rejection. Let's zoom it to see the picture more clear. As you see it, my friend, it came that candle and now it's showing a big rejection. And that one is a pin bar. And all the previous candles, they came there. That green one and that one, that red one, they showing big rejection there. So I think the price is going to drop again, maybe till touching here the trend line again. So be aware of those things, my friend. Everything is too clear. Everything in front of you, my friend. There is no divergence yet here. Everything it looks the same as you see it, my friend. But we don't know what's going to happen. And I told you yesterday what else we got here. I told you we got here a cup and handle here. It's being broken now. As you see it, my friend. When it's broken, you calculate it from here. And you do it like that. It's going to be the target here, I think. Up in that green one we put before. So be aware of those things. By the way, if you don't know what else we're talking about, down below in the first comment, my friend, you're going to get a 85% couple link to our highly recommended course, my friend. The course is going to teach you everything you want about technical analysis, my friend. It's going to take you from scratch till you're going to be pro. Everything is well explained in that course, and inside it more than $6,000 worth of books. Those books, they are the best books in the market about the topics. We offer it for you free, my friend. Also, we bought it, then we offer it for you free. So I think it's a very good deal for everyone who want to learn from professional people, not scams, not fibs. And by the way, if you don't want to learn technical analysis and you just want to start investing in Bitcoin, next to it, there is a 85% couple link to our Bitcoin investing course. That course is going to teach you how to invest in Bitcoin. It's going to take you from start, how to open a brokerage, till how to deposit money, how to start trading, how to maximize your profit. Everything in that course, my friend. Everything you're thinking of in that course. Even how to sell, how to buy, everything. So, everything is too clear, my friend. Let's see our indicators, what they say. Our indicator, my friend, it's showing here. As you see it, what we got here. We got a divergence, as you see it, my friend. That one is something you need to be aware of, my friend. Be aware of that one very, 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 very well. We got a divergence here in our indicator. We don't know what's going to happen, but there is, I think, a retracement coming, my friend. Maybe till that level. Then after that, it's going to go upward. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. And as you see it, as we enter here at the overbought area, I think everything is too clear, my friend. So, my friend, let's go into lower time frames to see what is it there. Here we are, my friend, in 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, if you remember yesterday what I told you we got here a head and shoulder here. And as you see it, it's being broken here by that candle. So you're calculating from here to here. And it brings you the target exactly here as you see it, my friend. And another thing here, when that candle broke here, as you see it, that one, then you enter from that candle and you calculate in the zone from here to here. It brings you the target exactly, my friend, here. As you see it, everything in front of you, my friend. Everything in front of you. Just with simple analysis will help you make profit, my friend. And another thing here, in the 30 minutes, my friend, as you see it here, we still have here that stronger divergence, my friend, like that and like that. That one is a very stronger divergence. I think it's going to push the price till it's going to come back down here to touch that trend line. Because as you see here, the price is show a big rejection here at that level of 24K. That level also being followed for some time, my friend. I think now we are going to go down to touch here that trend line. Or maybe it will go only till here. Till that level here, where it is now. Sorry. Let me show it to you for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Maybe the market, it will go just till here, till that level here, as you see it, till here, to touch, where is it, that high here. Then after that, it will show you a bigger rejection. It will go in upward again. Everything is too clear, my friend, as you see it, my friend. And here now the market, it's showing you here a small cup and handle, as you see it, my friend, like that and like that. If it's breaking here, you calculating from here to here is going to be, as I told, maybe it's going to drop till here, till that level, my friend, till here exactly. So be aware of those things. Everything is too clear, my friend. Let's see our indicators, what they said, to see more clear picture. Our indicator, my friend, it's showing us we're still here at the overbought area. So I think it's going to make a rejection to go down to the overbought area, my friend. Then after that, it's going to go upward again. So be aware of those things, my friend. Everything in front of you. So my friend, I think that's it for today's video. See you in the daily candle finish, my friend. Bye for now.